All right. And here we have something original. Very nice. Whoa.
Did it ring a bell?
I don't think so. This looks a little messed up.
Plain Westinghouse cab.
Whoa, that's literally sinking as you get in.
I think these are original AE buttons.
It is. Well, technically Epco, but... okay.
I mean, AE and Epco buttons are the same thing, aren't they?
No. What the... Apparently it's going up and down.
And there's two. So the AE was recessed, is that the difference?
And the contacts. That has Epco contacts. Interesting.
Does not disappoint though, I would say. Just take 2 rides.
Look at this, there's a big dent here.
And the elevators. It's like somebody got
You
their
see that?
dog's leash stuck in there or something.
Oh god, not like one of those videos.
And broke it. Let's write it
What
up.
goes on with the lantern?
Let's write it up one more time.
Yeah.
Let's open the phone box. There we go. That's cool.
Nice.
Westinghouse.
That's it.